Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Machina token. Ticker symbol is Mxna. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find it on Etherscan. It's an ERC20 token, 18 decimal places, 1 billion total supply, and it is brand new. This token is getting a huge central exchange listing starting January 16th, and we're going to go over the information on the Machina token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you information. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Machina token is part of a project called the Dark Machine Game. They have a Telegram you could follow at Dark Machine Group that has 2,316 members so far. 361 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion. And on that Telegram, they have another Telegram linked, which is the announcement channel. You can check that out. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. You can see it's a huge project. It has 205,200 Twitter followers. Has a link to their webpage right there. And it says backed by Tencent Games. And if I'm not mistaken, Tencent Games is Fortnite. Fortnite is a part of Tencent Games. I'm sure there's other games as well, but obviously that's a huge game there. And I'm pretty sure that's the case, because I did look up before when Fortnite first came out. I was thinking, does Fortnite have a stock? And then they said it is Tencent Games is the stock for Fortnite. So it's like the umbrella company, I guess. And you can find this Twitter at Dark Machine Game. Gold verified checkmark, 135 posts. And speaking of Twitter, it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed January 16th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol MXNA, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here has a document section, a white paper, which you can find at wp.meta-x.studio/dark-machine. You can find that on their webpage, and their webpage is darkmachinegame.com. Over there, you can also find NFTs. You can connect your wallet if you're looking to get some NFTs. But it says here that this token, or this project, it says the year is 2079. Humankind is living in an energy bubble after Dr. Robert Palmer discovered the Palmer crystal to give humankind all the energy it would ever need and more. Unfortunately, not all of humankind has benefited from this hyper energy source and undergone underground battles for this energy, and they've developed at a global scale. So it goes over the story here of the video game. It says the battle has begun. Dark Machine is the gaming metaverse where teams and giant mechs, dubbed as Destroids, battle each other for arena domination. Now, the Destroids sport a hyper AI system that makes them sentient, and you are the commander of a Destroid for your team, fighting side by side with your mech partner for grand rewards. Now, the Mech theme of this project provides the perfect basis to create a compelling blockchain-based entertainment experience. So Dark Machine is special. We prepared a cross-media release consisting of not only the game service, but an anime series for TV and streaming as well. And we have grand ambitions for the future of this project, and we are excited to share our vision with you through their white paper. So check out the full white paper here. But yeah, so it's Dark Machine. You could play it on PC, iOS, Android. Version will follow post-launch, it says. And it is an async big team arena mech shooter game. So that is the style of game. So their core target here says esports and game shooter players looking for next generation shooting game experience with the ability to earn by playing skillfully. It says sub-target GameFi investors looking for long-term value. It says the mech-based genre was until recently extremely underrepresented by a distinct lack of releases of content for both game and anime, and with the advent of titles such as Armored Core 6 and Mecha Break, the game genre has recently seen a big resurgence, and Dark Machine looks to follow with a unique game of anime offering. Additionally, Dark Machine seeks to democratize esports and get it more into the hands of the players. Esports is currently a closed community. Only pros associated with teams, guilds, sponsors, event owners get rewards, where pros typically are less than 1% of the player base of any game. And over 30% of the remaining players base has high skills and no way to exploit. So the main pillars for this game here are skill to earn, play for fun, free to play, and decentralized tournaments. It's available global, so it's, anybody in the world can play, it says. And phase 1 is 2024 all the way up till 2025. So you can go over their huge roadmap if you like. Now it says Dark Machine's value revolves around skill to earn, free-to-play economy where players compete in tournaments for reward pools against other teams. And this reward system is supported by robust, balanced economics via in-game and blockchain mechanisms. Dark Machine employs a single token strategy via Machina, which is further supported by game off-chain DMAX coins. So they have another token here, and the multi-currency IMX asset support. Through these, players generate rewards through skillful gameplay, content ownership, content generation, and token ownership. So the token here can be used in-game. In the real world, you can stake it. There's all sorts of functions for the token. Has all sorts of utility. And you can check it all out on the white paper I mentioned, which you could find on their webpage, darkmachinegame.com. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global as of December. What month are we in? January 16th. So yeah, go check this token out. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.